coach real bad, tell you something. Say you get down, try to pump with you. Oh, that's your best friend, try to fuck with you. First man, you bitch, they said real sister. I don't give a fuck, it is real sister. Fuck around me, try to dodge bullets. Fuck around the chickens in a dodge him. Fuck around me, try to dodge bullets. Fuck around me, fuck twin sister. You blow on the nigga, so she down for me. Standing on the stage with the rounds on it. I saw a lot of chickens that are innocent. I'm not playing. Coming through, nigga, and my pockets disagreeing. When I come through, got to have my glass. Coming through, nigga, and you know I just passed. Oh Lord, baby, damn justice went off, man. Well, damn, it feels good for being from the south side. Just hit that Dreyfus so they can do my inside. Man, what you want right? Nigga, I want book. Do my shit right so I can hurt the ass too. Now look at this scoop coming down on the ground. He hurt the ass coming from the guts up on myself. And he from that shit and that big fucking leg. Got the big foot in the ass in the bag. Now watch me that man.
She's stalking?
Yeah, she's going to come too far.
Yeah, where's she at?
They're about 51 feet.
I don't think the police worrying about us. Man, you remember when around privilege, but the fucking police, 2 police walked up? I'm like, damn, boy, I'm like, they wanted to get me at least. I would have been got. I would have been able to do nothing.
Oh my God,
I wouldn't be able to do nothing. Them boys, it seemed like they just popped out of nowhere.
that was the same dude at Chairman and Curry who told us like, man, we ain't gonna fuck with y'all.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I don't remember.
I'll come sit down there. We're gonna bring them all back over here.
Oh, but they Ubering or something? Oh, they want to come pull stuff?
I just asked. I know she was coming. I said, man, you sure? She was like, all right, pick me up and let's go away. Pull something over there.
Yeah, usually down there be popping too, but I think they closed down there. People in the neighborhood when they complaining about the clubs and traffic. Man, you been seeing that shit? The fucking all the people getting found in a bayou. Yeah, for real. They like some serial killer type shit.
And they can't find them.
Yeah, the crazy thing, the shit was just happening in Austin, you hear me? The same situation, like a little spot, like a little bayou.
Dumping them right there.
Yeah, dumping them right there. Yeah, some serial killers type shit. They look police acting like it ain't a coincidence, man. That shit, nah, man, that's a serial killer, boy.
8 people so far.
I think more than that.
They should have like some
I think like about 15 people or something. Yeah, it said like, you know them cuts we went through when you go under the bridge and yeah, that shit, certain spots like sketchy as a motherfucker. Yeah, I remember like round through there a couple times, like, man, shit, boy, this shit, nigga, just up with a banger, the burn or some boy, shit. Ain't nobody around. Huh? Come on. Yeah. Huh? I'm a wreck.
Are you gonna rent?
No.
All right.
Unless you want me to.
No, I don't want to. I got kids. I got 2 kids.
Oh yeah.
Go home too. I want to rent.
Nah, I ain't gonna wreck. I don't do that. Yeah. Come on.
You want me to get on first?
Yeah, get on first. Where you wanna go?
I don't know. Take me around the block.
Around the block?
Come on, you gotta record because I don't got my phone. Wait. I'm gonna hold on to you. Am I supposed to hold on to you? Look.
Yeah, that's cool. Why you ain't got your phone?
Cause my phone down the block. Look. Bring my daughter back here, my niece. I told him already I gotta make it back. I ain't lying. I'm still her mama and I'm gonna
I ain't got no license plate.
safe for my daughter. I already told him.
Yeah, I got
I'm
you.
serious. You safe for my niece. Annie, take a video. Please take
Louisiana, can I rock with money? I'm a ride with money.
That's all.